Hi guys, this is Smiley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to get this fresh face, natural, no makeup look. It's really cool for the summers. So to know how to get this look, please keep on watching the video. So we're first starting off with some makeup wipes from Cara. You can really use any makeup wipes just to clean up your face and remove any dirt and oil to have a really clean base to start off with. Then I'm using a towel to dab dry any wetness on the face. Then I'm using my Nivea Aloe Body Cream Refreshing Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face and moisturize the skin and sort of like prep it for the rest of the makeup that we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm. This is a really great primer to get a glowing skin, so I would recommend using this over any other primer really. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 106 Sun Beige, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of that out on my hand just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix some of my Revlon Photoready Skinlights in Bare Light with the foundation. This is like a face illuminator, so it's kind of gonna make your face look really glowy and fresh, I guess. So I'm just gonna mix the both with the help of my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like apply that all over my face just like that. And it's definitely gonna create a difference than just applying foundation, because it's otherwise gonna make your skin look pretty matte, but here it's gonna make it look really glowy. Then I'm gonna use my concealer from Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Refined Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some under my eyes and on areas that I want some concealing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, this look is mostly about the face and making it look healthy and glowy, so emphasize your facial features as much as you can and hide any imperfections that you'd like to, and you're really good to go. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and with the help of my Real Techniques setting brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the concealer, but do not apply too much powder onto like a lot of places, because that way your face is gonna appear more matte than luminous, and that's not what we're looking for here today. I'm gonna go ahead and use the spoolie given at the back of my Colorbar eyebrow pencil to brush my eyebrow hair upwards. You can really use any other spoolie that you like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Kit, and using the middle shade with the help of the brush that it comes with, I'm gonna fill in any sparse areas just like I would in any other videos. But today I'm not gonna apply any gel liner to give my brows any more definition than required, because we're trying to keep this really natural. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my PAC 222 angled eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna sort of mix the two brown colors in the eyebrow kit to get the amount of darkness that I want in my brows. Now this is totally up to you. You can customize your brows the way you want to, but make sure to keep it as natural as possible. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush, and I'm gonna pick up some concealer and clean up the edges of my brows. This is totally optional. You can do it if you want to, you may not do it if you don't want to, but it just sort of gives a bit of precision to your brows, just like that. And the link to where you can buy this brush is given in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 20 Sand. It comes with a doe foot applicator, so I just thought it's gonna be much easier for me to sort of create the base for my eyeshadow than use the age refined concealer, but you can really use anything that you're more comfortable with. Then I'm again gonna go ahead and set that concealer with the help of my Real Techniques setting brush and the Fit Me powder that I used previously. Now for eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Redemption palette in Iconic 3. This is the palette that I use all the time, and it's got some really great colors. So I'll be picking up this color right there, and with the help of a PAC 028, which is a fluffy blending brush, I'm just gonna diffuse the color into the crease and give the crease some definition. Then I'll pick up this dark brown color right there, and with the help of my PAC 209, which is a small blending brush, I'm gonna apply that onto the outer V and then diffuse it into the crease just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the same PAC 028 brush to blend everything out and make everything look even. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this kajal right here. It's the Colossal Kajal in Super Black by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this on my upper lash line to give it a bit of boldness. And it might look really difficult right now, but to do it is much more easier. You've just got to apply the kajal onto the inside of your lash line, so it's not like going all the way inside, it's just like the outer lining of your lash line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara onto my upper lashes. The one that I'm using right now is the Lakme Iconic curling mascara, and I just happened to accidentally put some on the crease as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that quickly. And this is an old mascara wand from a dried out mascara that I just happened to wash and keep, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one to separate out any clumped up lashes. Then I'm using the same mascara to apply some onto the lower lashes as well. And yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this Contour de Force mini bronzer in Woody Wonder by Sugar Cosmetics, and with the help of my blush brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all around the edges of my face to warm up my face a bit. Then I'm using the Color Show blush from Maybelline. This is in the shade Fresh Coral, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush just like that. This came in a set of brushes, the link to which again is in the description box below, and I'm just gonna try to create like a flushing of the cheeks with the help of the blush, so it kind of looks like you were out on the sun and you got sort of sunburned, and that happened. So next I'm using the Manizer Sisters palette from theBalm, and I'm picking up Cindy Lou on the same brush and topping the blush with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer on a really flat brush like that and put that on the edges of my brow just like that to highlight it a bit. Then I'm gonna blend that out with the help of my fingers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use some of that Mary Lou from that Manizer's palette and take it on a brush like that and top the concealer with the help of that. Then I'm using Mary Lou once again and taking some on the forefinger of my hand. I'm gonna apply it onto the key points just like that, on the nose, on the cheek, on the forehead, and on the cheeks as well. Your highlighter should be really popping today because, you know, it's all about your face, so having a good amount of blended out highlighter on your face is really gonna help your face look bomb, you know. Now I couldn't decide between these two lip liners, so I just finally went ahead and used this one from Faces. It's the Lip Contour Pencil in Blush On, and I'm also using the Essence Nude X XXL lip gloss in the shade Taste the Sweets to fill in my lips afterwards. Then I'm using the M.A.C Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus and spritzing it all over my face just like that to set the face, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope it helped you out. If it did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with whoever might be interested, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a new upload. I'll be uploading a video or two randomly in a week instead of 2 specific days a week, because otherwise it gets really difficult. I hope you understand. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!